Here's the app called Creatic, graphic design editor, flyer wallpaper, poster maker. Create any design, flyer wallpaper, poster template, instantly edit anything, easy and powerful editor, remove background, create curved text, use vector paint tools, edit layers, easily sounds of profile pics and covers. So this app recently getting higher in the trends. It's an easy to use and powerful graphic design editor, perfect for anyone looking to create stunning social media post, flyers, collages, logos, wallpapers, and more. Amazing templates, photo editor, vector, text, logo maker, powerful drawing, unlimited layers, yeah, colors, folders, social media. And you can see it's quite large. But yeah, it's right now it's in the top charts of graphics and design category on iOS App Store for US. So it's quite an achievement. So let's open it up. So here you can create posters, profile pics, masks, effects, mirrors, quotes, sports, business, social media, some popular templates. So the power of this app is in all of these templates. So for example, you can select this, but then yeah, yearly is just $20 per year. But also this app is quite cheap. If you compare this app with others in this category, $20 yearly, it's quite good. Weekly $5 per week is also really cheap compared to some other apps. And then also you have some free ones just to check it out. So that's also quite smart from them to do it. So for example, you see kind of this overlays. You can create video. Wow. Also, then you can just replace in the bottom left with your photo, cut out effect, colors, erase, blend, opacity, duplicate, delete. So yeah, quite advanced template which you can use. Adjust vector overlay. So here you can just see popular right now, and then explore, and then yeah, kind of that's the idea. Full name. You can also become a seller here. Share Creatic. Then there are tutorials. So quite growing cool app actually, guys. Highly recommended. You can also create all of these Facebook posts, wallpapers, everything, all kinds of graphics. So yeah, it's like kind of super professional app on your iPhone, and it's easy to use and it's cheap. So it's a very rare combination. So I really advise you just to buy this app. Actually, yearly $20 per year is quite good.